moms, how are you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how I decorate my master bedroom. So I'm gonna show you the master bedroom. Next time I'll do a video. I'll just show you how I do decorate my master bedroom and my son bedroom together at the same time. Let's keep watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my master bedroom. I have this sheet years ago. I buy it, but it's like, because I have two boys, my son always on my bed. It doesn't show dirt much. And we just moved to this house. We went this house like for a year. We still looking for our dream house. And these furnitures like are new. They're like brand new, and we buy this furniture when we move to this house. So like, and I try to decorate a little bit. These lamps are kind of like expensive. They're like $300 something. My husband buy them, and I always have these on my side table because I can put my drinks. And this little piece, I buy this from TJ Maxx, and this one from Ross. This beautiful piece right here, I buy this from Ross too. I'm not sure if this is a good place for it, but I tried to put it here because I tried to make this room as nice as I can. So this TV, you can see this huge TV. This is a movie theater TV because we used to have a movie theater in our house. In this house we move in, it's very small. We don't have anywhere to put it. We decide to put it here, not because we love to watch movies in like that much. It's just like because we don't have a house to put it, we end up put it here. And this is the master bedroom. So we buy this bed like, oh my gosh, we have this bed for 3 years ago. We love it. It's getting a little bit dirty because my son is 3. He's jumping on it. You can see, like, I'm always trying to clean it. And yeah, so we buy this furniture, like, I don't remember where, but then we try to go with great quality furniture that is not gonna fall apart so much. So my husband choose this furniture, I choose the bed. When it become to decoration, I choose more small pieces, but when it's become to big investment, my husband and I, we choose together. I choose this bed because I love it so much. My husband choose this table because we lost our furniture while we was moving back to Arizona. And this little decoration I start putting here, but I'm not done. I put these little flowers here. Very cute. And this is a speaker for the movie theater. We end up put it here. I'm gonna try to find a place. And this is my favorite part of the house. I make this here when I'm try to take pictures. I know you guys can see me here. When I try to take pictures, I can just like take it here without like, you know, I make this here for me. I call it mine. And this mirror, I got this beautiful mirror at Home Goods, not Home Goods, at TJ Maxx. Like, I get these beautiful at TJ Maxx, and I love it. I just love this little decoration a lot. So this is our master bedroom, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment. If you like to know where you can buy these beautiful pieces. I want to put more pictures on top. I try to put things that my son not gonna like mess up, because he's 3. He will drop everything on the floor. Yeah, this is how we decorate the house. So not the house, or master bedroom. It's very simple, very, very simple. We try to keep it simple. I try to keep it simple because I'm the one who do decoration. But yeah, this is the master bedroom. This is the bed in person. We're still looking for a house, so wish us luck. I'm gonna show you the master bathroom. This is the master bathroom. I just try to keep it very simple. Like, this is all my skincare stuff, and this is my bathroom, just clean. I can show you a video. And I try to keep it very simple. I try to keep this little basket here for my son toy, and I love robe. I try to hang my robe here. My master bathroom is like that. This is my closet. I can show you another video next time. Yeah, this is the master bathroom, and you walk from the bedroom. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I buy this pillow. I'm gonna return this because my son not gonna leave it, so he already tried to tear it apart. So let me know, guys, what you guys think in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is how simple I try to keep the house. I love decoration, but this is a winter. I try to not do too much because we're still looking for a house. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comment below. So my son bedroom, I buy these bedside table from IKEA. They're very great quality. These little lamp, I buy this at Home Goods years for him. He loves cars. It's a truck that I love. He got this for Halloween, well, to get his candy. And this is his bed. That's a truck bed. It's like a Jeep. We buy this for him because he loves cars. And this bookshelf to put his book. That's him and my husband. This is him. This is him. Is his little brother, Vincent. Try to put little things here for him. This picture. So yeah, that's how I redecorate it. And this is his closet. I try to keep his clothes together, which I'm not doing such a good job at. So it's easy. It's a small room. I try to keep it like that. We're renting this house for now. He loves Latin McQueen, you can tell. I'm gonna put more pictures from now on. So yeah, these are the bedrooms decoration. And this is the guest room that used to, yeah, this is the master bed. This is the guest room. I buy this bed. I love it. My husband chose it again, but otherwise I just put these little flowers here for decoration, and I decorate these. I buy these lamp at Costco. They were very nice lamp, and I get these little decoration things. I'm gonna put pictures on the top. I buy this is at Burlington, I think, and this, I don't remember where I buy this thing. Yeah, so we put the printer here because we have nowhere to put them. So yeah, this is the master. Not the master, this is the guest room. If you guys come visit me, that's where you guys gonna stay.